Bismillah Rahman Rahim, Rahmat-i-Alam, Muhammad, peace be upon him, Mercy for the Universe. Translated by A.Rauf Luther. Chapter 30. Invitation to Kings. 6 AH. Islam was passing through its 19th harvest to give message to the entire mankind. In that age, the people were obedient to their kings and landlords who acted as rulers of their people. One day the Prophet assembled the companions and said to them, God has sent me as a mercy for the whole human beings. Now time has approached that you may shower the blessings of my mercy over the whole people. Rise up and take the message of truth to the entire mankind. The Prophet selected some wise and intelligent Muslims from amongst the companions and handed over them letters for kings and rulers to invite them to Islam. Besides kings and rulers quite adjacent to Arabia were Habsha, Abyssinia, Iran, Rome, and Egypt. So the Prophet sent envoys to all these rulers. The king of Habsha embraced Islam. The king of Iran told the message to pieces, about whom thereafter the Prophet said, God will tear to pieces the kingdom of that country. This prophecy came true word by word after some period. The king of Egypt did not accept Islam but sent his reply to the Prophet in great humbleness. The Caesar of Rome, king of the Christian world of the East, on receiving the letter, ordered that the traders from Hijaz, wherever they might be seen, should be presented to him. What a strange happening that such a person was found by then who had been a deadliest enemy of Islam and of the Prophet. He, along with his comrades, was brought before the Caesar, and he was Abu Sufyan. The Caesar asked them that only one of them should give answers to his questions and none other should open his mouth. They should remain as silent spectators. But if he told a lie, they must open their mouths to contradict him. After this utterance, he came up with his questions and Abu Sufyan prepared himself to give him answers. Caesar: to which family the claimant of the prophethood belongs? Sufyan: respectable family. Caesar: has anyone in his family claimed to be a prophet? Sufyan: no. Caesar: had there been any king in his family? Sufyan: no. Caesar: are the persons poor who have embraced Islam? Sufyan: the poor and weak persons. Caesar: is the number of his adherents increasing or decreasing? Sufyan: increasing. Caesar: have you ever experienced that he told a lie? Sufyan: never. Caesar: has he ever proved false to his promise? Sufyan: never. By this time we shall see whether he fulfills the agreements which he had made with us. Caesar: have you ever fought against him? Sufyan: yes. Caesar: what was the outcome of the war? Sufyan: sometimes we were victorious and sometimes he. Caesar: what does he say? Sufyan: he says, believe that God is one, worship him alone, invoke him, say prayers, be chaste, speak the truth, and fulfill the rights of your blood relations. Hearing these answers from Abu Sufyan, the Caesar said, if you have spoken the truth, a day would certainly come when he would conquer this land which is under my feet. If it were possible, I would have gone to him and washed his feet. If you like the video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira.